Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is choose, a one-level verb meaning select. Choose is a fundamental word that we use all the time, so understanding it well is really important. Simply put, choose means to pick out or select someone or something from a number of possibilities. It's about making a decision and opting for one thing over others. For instance, you might choose between coffee and tea in the morning, or you might choose to walk to work instead of driving. Let's delve deeper. What are some synonyms for choose? One common synonym is select. For example, I select this apple because it looks the ripest. Another synonym is pick. You could say, I picked the blue shirt for the party. You can also use the word opt. For instance, many students opt to study abroad to broaden their horizons. Furthermore, prefer can act as a synonym in certain contexts. I prefer Italian food over Chinese food. We also have decide. You could say, I decide to go to the beach this weekend. Let's explore some sentences with these synonyms. The teacher selected the best essay from the class. I picked a beautiful bouquet of flowers for my mom. She opted for the healthier meal option. I prefer to travel by train rather than by plane. We decided on the red car instead of the black one. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of choose. A direct antonym would be reject. For example, the company rejected my job application. Another antonym is refuse. You might say, I refuse to believe that story. A related antonym is decline. For example, he declined their invitation to the wedding. Furthermore, disregard can also be an antonym in certain situations. They disregarded all the warnings and went hiking anyway. Another antonym is forego. I will forego dessert tonight. Let's see these antonyms in sentences. The voters rejected the proposed law. She refused to answer the police officer's questions. He declined the offer of a promotion because it meant moving to a different city. The board of directors disregarded the consultant's recommendations. I will forego my usual afternoon snack today. How can you use choose in your everyday life? Well, it's everywhere. Think about ordering food. I'll choose the pasta, please. Or think about selecting a movie to watch. Let's choose a comedy tonight. Maybe you're deciding what to wear. I can't choose between the red dress and the black dress. When playing a game, you may say, I choose this card. When deciding which university to attend, you can say, I need to choose where I want to apply. Here are more examples of choose in sentences and phrases. Choose wisely. I choose you. We choose to believe. You have a choice to make. Make the right choice. I need to choose a new phone plan. Please choose one item from the menu. I didn't choose this life, it chose me. It's your choice. What would you choose if you could have anything? So, to recap, choose is an A1 level verb meaning to select or pick something from a range of options. We explored synonyms like select, pick, opt, prefer, and decide, and antonyms such as reject, refuse, decline, disregard, and forego. We saw how choose is used in countless everyday situations, from ordering food to making important life decisions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word choose and share it in the comments below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Remember to practice your English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistent effort makes a big difference. Good luck with your English learning journey, and I'll see you again next time for another exciting episode of Hello Word. Keep practicing and have fun. Remember that even small steps forward contribute to big improvements in your language skills. We're here to support you every step of the way. Keep going, you've got this. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting episodes. Remember to share the podcast with your friends who are also learning English.